Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix VLC media player error on your Windows PC like Windows 10 and Windows 11. So as you can see guys on my screen, so this type of irritating error I am facing, VLC crash reporting. To fix this error guys, you need to watch this video till end very carefully. Don't miss any option, any method. Okay, so let's get started. So when you are facing this type of error guys, first you need to close your VLC media player. After closing, you need to restart your PC one time. After restarting, open VLC media player once again. Now let's check your problem was solved or not. In case still you are facing same type of error guys, you can follow this method. In the VLC media player, go to tools and here you can get the option preferences. Just click and open it. Okay, and here you need to open input codecs like this, and in the hardware accelerator decoding, just extend this and select automatic option like this and click on save. That's it. After this guys, once again you need to click on tools, go to preferences. Now you need to open videos, and here guys in the output just you need to extend this, and here you need to select open GL video output. This option you need to select, and you need to uncheck this option accelerated video output like this. After this guys, just click on save. That's it. After doing this guys, you need to close your VLC media player once again. After closing, reopen it. Now it will 100% fix your problem. In case still you are facing again this type of error guys, now you need to update your VLC media player. To update guys, just click on help tab like this, and here you can get the option check for updates. Just click on it, and if the app update will available, you can get this type of interface. If you want to download and install this update, just click on S. That's it. Now it will automatically update your VLC media player. After updating 100%, it will fix your problem. That's it. So these are the easy and simple different methods to fix that error. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.